guys, today we are making a new video. Today's video is going to be after dark. And, whoa, Tony, don't distract you. This is my cat, Tony. Trying to take a nap, but he's annoyed by the music, so. Today we're going to be trying Pibby Corrupted. I really like the Pibby mod. My favorite's Blue mod. Because the other ones are hard. But I could do Blue mod easy. But it's just a little hard for me because I haven't played in a while. And there's 6 keys once there should only be 4. There's PG up and PG down. No judgment. Okay, there is judgment, I will say. I suck. Oh my god. I'm usually really good at Blue mod. No! What is happening? Bro. What has happened? Bro. This gets on my nerves sometimes. Like, sometimes I'm doing really good. Okay, I suck. One more miss and then... Oh. I suck! No! I suck at this part. If I lose this... Bro, why do I lose every single time? Bro, I should have been playing more. Let me try Gunshot. That Spooktopper is hard. I try that all the time. Once I do play Pibby Corrupted, I'll usually try that. That one's hard. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, I totally suck. Bro. And Pibby's usually a really easy mod. Bro, I hate this mod. I swear, I hate it. Corrupted. Oh my god. Help me, bro. Bro, how's anybody supposed to do this? I missed a bullet. I missed a sword. I suck. So it goes like save today, glitch gem, my friends, the change, overworked, last booktober, gunshot, blue balled, corrupted hero, brotherly bond, gummy substance, together forever, no hero remastered, lost legend, elastic destruction, glitch duo, no hero, you can't save them. Bro, this is hard. I will say this is hard. What does it mean I'm missing? What? I hate this. I'm better at the 4 weeks. I'm better at the 7 weeks. I swear. Bro, I hate this. Yeah, I'm playing on my PC. I don't know where my Chromebook's at. Listen. If you'll listen. Oh, God Eater. God Eater's hard. You gotta use W, A, S, and D. I don't know where it's at. I got 1 miss. 7. What? Have I been hacked? What just happened? I think I've been hacked. What? Did a hacker just hack me? If one did, I'm gonna be surprised. But that's all for the video today. I hope you liked this video, and I will see you soon. Real soon. Fact.